Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make your own chemical garden. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm going to use this glass vase to grow my chemical garden using a 50-50 solution of sodium silicate and water and the metal salts, nickel sulfate, lithium chloride, copper chloride, copper sulfate, and calcium chloride. Start by mixing half sodium silicate with half distilled water in your glass vase and let that sit until it becomes clear. Okay, once your sodium silicate solution has settled, you're ready to start adding your metal salts, and you want to add kind of some larger clumps. We've got a few good clumps to add here. And remember, sodium silicate long ago was used to preserve eggs and to waterproof walls and different substances. And so at this point, we're able to add some of our clumps. So this first one is copper chloride. I've got a pretty nice chunk I'm gonna add. I'm just gonna drop it in and see what happens there. Okay, here's a nice piece of nickel sulfate. We're gonna add that over there. And a little bit of calcium chloride. A few of those. And try to get a chunk of copper sulfate over there. And a little bit of lithium chloride over here. Maybe a little more over here. You can see that. Oh, okay. Now at this point, I want to start our clock because this is going to grow over a long period of time. I want you to be able to see that. I'll start our timer, and then I'll just set up our tripod right here so you can watch it grow. So just over 24 minutes has passed and our chemical garden has grown. Look at all those beautiful tendrils. But what makes it grow? Well, the sodium silicate actually forms a colloidal membrane around the crystal. And due to osmotic pressure, that membrane erupts and a new crystal forms at the top where another colloidal membrane forms around it, undergoes osmotic pressure, and erupts again. But it grows upward because each tendril is quite a bit less dense than the sodium silicate around it. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.